Back onto the T85W from Yealink. There is another feature of these phones which are really useful if you're in a busy reception, and I'm going to show you the expansion modules, which I'm going to get out of the box now. So here we are. This is called the EXP55W. Just have a look and see what you get in the box. So we've got the instructions, you've got the expansion module, just here, and you should have a nifty little foot, and you get a screwdriver for attaching the base firmly, the expansion module to your base. Just get the foot out. Let's attach this to the base. So there's arrows at the bottom here pointing which way you should attach this foot. Just slides on. You notice it's got a USB and a slot here for going into the side of the phone. See the side of the phone here? There's the slot. There's a USB. At the back there's a screw, what the screwdriver's for. For this purpose I'm just going to slide it in. That's now connected. And that will come up. When that's finished booting, you'll see the welcome screen, and then we can program all of these keys. Let's just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we've got 13 down each side, which gives you a total of 26 programmable buttons. So you can have rooms, departments, people, suppliers, contacts, customers, whatever you want that you regularly speak to, you can have these programmed up. There's also actually 3 pages. So when you press this button here, you get a further 26. And you press this button here, you get a further 26, a number of calls. Now, what's really nice about this is if you've got a really big hotel, or if you've got a large school or a building that's got many more floors, you can do this. So what we have here is another EXP55W. So we get that one out of the box. We get the manual, you know the score. You get the main unit. What else do we get? Screwdriver and a foot, I hear you say. Okay, let's get the foot out. Once we've plugged this in the side, like so. Second one will boot up. And you can have a total of 3 of these EXP55s. It would take up quite an amount of desk space, I do admit. But with 2 of these, you got 52. With a third one, that would be 78, I believe. 78 buttons visible at any one time. So you can see how many people are on the phone talking, and speed dial as many people to your heart's content. These can also be logoed up with your company logo, school logo, clinic logo, hotel logo, whatever it is you want. So that's the T85W with 2 EXP55 side panels for calling and seeing who's on the phone at any one time.